this video we will create a mini app to sell courses. In this example, the bot reminds us that we haven't watched the tutorial video. After opening the mini app with the video, the bot offers us a bonus. Then it sent us reminders again that we haven't received the bonus, until we open the corresponding mini app. But first we need to create a Telegram bot and connect it to the Puzzlebot service. You can see the detailed instructions at the link in the description. Let's go to our bot and select the Constructor tab. First we need to create an usual comment. Let's give it a name. We will also create 2 mini apps and give them names. Save and publish the changes. We will come back to these comments later. We need to remind the user of an action, for example, about the unclicked button. To do this, let's go back to our bot and go to the Scenarios tab. Click on the Add a Scenario button, click on the triplet and rename it. We'll open the scenario, and let's expand the settings. We'll check the box next to restart when the scenario is called again. Let's add a post. In the post type, we'll select through and enter how long from the start of the scenario the first post will arrive. Let's add a text block and fill it in. Let's add an inline keyboard and choose Go to the mini app action. Let's enter a name for the button and write the name of our first mini app. Let's save it. Now click on the Planet button. Let's create 2 more reminders posts by the same way. Let's go back, duplicate the scenario. The new scenario will remind the user that he hasn't collected his bonus. Let's rename it. And repeat the same action as in the previous scenario. In the Go to mini app, let's write the name of the second mini app that will take the user to the bonus. Don't forget to click on the Publish Changes button.
Let's return to the constructor.
Before we have already created a usual comment, there we will activate a reminder. The user will go to the first mini app after the required action. The second mini app will give us a bonus for watching videos. Let's expand the first comment and add the Edit Scenario section. Click on Edit the list and activate the required scenario. Let's save and expand the advanced settings for the action. Select the execution sequence to add a text block and fill it in. Add an inline keyboard. Give a name to the button. Choose the action Go to Mini App. And type in the name of the first mini app. Save it. Let's expand it. Now we want the user to receive an award bonus while they're watching the video. Let's add an Edit Scenario action. Activate the second scenario and deactivate the first one. Let's save. In the advanced settings of the action, we'll also put the execution sequence too. Let's add and fill in the header. We'll also add a video block and insert a link to our video. Let's check the box next to Add Description and fill it in. Let's go to the second mini app. Let's add and fill in the header. We'll also add a video block and insert a link to our video. Let's add the Edit Scenario section. Click on Edit the list and deactivate the second scenario. Let's save. We'll expand the advanced settings for the action and select the two execution sequence. Let's go to the Start Comment and add the Send Comment or Condition action. Let's enter the name of our first comment. Save and publish the changes. Let's check the work of the bot in Telegram. Send the start comment. The bot offers to watch the video. We'll wait a little while. Alright, great! The bot has sent us 3 reminders. Now let's click the button. It opens a mini app with a video tutorial. While we're watching the video, the bot notified us of a bonus. Let's wait for the reminders. Great, all the reminders have arrived. Let's click on the bonus button. Great, everything is working correctly. So we created a mini app for selling courses that will remind the user that they haven't picked up the bonus.